Hello guys, looking for powerful privacy-focused cloud storage solution? Nextcloud might just be the open source platform you need. But is it the right fit for you in 2025? Let's break it down step by step. So, Nextcloud is a self-hosted cloud platform that lets you store, share, and manage files securely. Unlike Google Drive or Dropbox, you host it on your own server, which gives you full control over your data. This makes it popular for businesses and privacy-conscious users. Now, Nextcloud offers file sharing, calendar sync, and video calls and document collaboration, all packed into one dashboard. The standout feature is the Nextcloud Hub, which integrates chat, office tools, and email in a single platform. It also supports encryption, version control, and user permissions. Now, one of the Nextcloud's biggest strengths is its privacy-first approach. Since you control the server, your files never sit on third-party storage. It offers end-to-end encryption, two-factor authentication, and GDPR compliance, making it one of the safest cloud systems you can use. Now, talking about performance, it depends heavily on your server setup. On a good VPS or NAS, Nextcloud runs smoothly even with large files libraries. Sync speeds are competitive, but some users report occasional lags with large shared folders or when using lower-end hosting. Now, pros of Nextcloud includes total data ownership and privacy control, highly customizable with add-ons and integrations, and active community support with regular updates. Also, the support team collaboration with integrated office tools. Now, cons include setup can be complex for beginners, it requires server maintenance and basic Linux knowledge, and performance varies based on your hosting quality. Also, mobile app could be more polished and intuitive. So, in conclusion, Nextcloud is an excellent choice if you want privacy, control, and a customizable cloud workspace. It's not as beginner friendly as Google Drive or Dropbox, but if you're ready to handle your own server, Nextcloud delivers serious power and flexibility in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.